There are a lot of ways to pick up infections. Have you ever found yourself in a bathroom, washed your hands, dried your hands, and then had to touch a door handle when you leave? You just can't be sure who's been touching that handle, nor if they had quite the same cleanliness standards that you have. Our new TurnClean product is a sanitizer dispenser that integrates with the door handle, meaning that every time you open a door, it's easy and ergonomic to sanitize your hands. This is really important for restaurants, hotels, and bar owners because cleanliness is one of the major ways that customers make decisions about where to eat and drink. A recent survey found that 88% of people in the US thought cleanliness was the most important thing in choosing a restaurant. We know from working within the food service industry that so much is done to protect diners and guests from foodborne illnesses, but it's tough to get this message across to customers how much you care. By installing our products, your customers will know that you care and are going to extra lengths to keep them safe. We designed our products to fit to every type of door. Our award-winning PullClean product, for example, fits to multi-stall bathroom exits and high-traffic hallway doors, and is already to be found in restaurants and hotels across America. Our brand new TurnClean handle, whereas, is exclusively available through Indiegogo and fits over the existing door handle, which makes it super easy to install. The handles are refilled with cartridges that can be replaced in a matter of seconds and are available directly through us or through a number of our leading distributor partners. Standard washroom door handles are a critical point of contamination, and the bugs that are carried out of the bathroom are some of the most dangerous bugs of all. By solving this problem with our innovative TurnClean and PullClean devices, you protect your customers and give them the confidence to stop worrying about hygiene and start enjoying their experience. We're asking you to support this campaign and help ensure cleaner hands in restaurants, bars, and hotels around the world. Thank you.